guys, welcome to Torch TV, and today we have a great unboxing. A Beyblade called Air Knight K4. This is Hasbro's version. Let's see how it does and how it battles. We are at my house, same table, new house. We moved. So, welcome back to Torch TV. Like I said before, we have Air Knight K4, Hasbro's version. And in the show, pretty much what happens, this is Season 3 Turbo. This is a spoiler, so you may want to skip ahead. But Iger's journey to becoming the best, he meets Kit, and he has a Beyblade called Air Knight, the one we have today. And Kid is a strong blader that pretty much, his Beyblade is super duper light, so it's hard to get a ring out on him. If you try, then it's gonna slowly go down. Very, very slowly. But the whole design of the Beyblade, I love. I've loved this Beyblade for a long time. I have the evolved form, and now I'm trying out the turbo form. I love this generation, and let's get to the unboxing. Instructions. A ripcord. And the Beyblade. And as you can see, we have the Air Knight top. I don't know what this middle's called. I'm just gonna call it jagged. I have no idea what any of these are called. But this is the slingshot tip. And what it does is there's a stamina mode, which is his normal mode. And then what you have to do is you have to line up that and the little space and pull up, 1 minute, and then it becomes to attack mode. And this will make him go crazy riding around in the rails. But what you may notice is he had an outer layer on this. And what happens in the story, another spoiler, is Iger actually beats Volt, becomes the champion, but then Hyde, another Beylader with Hades, beats him and becomes the champion. So he reigns as champion for a little while. But because Iger is the next in line, he has a battle with Kit. And Kit comes over to his house and creates this piece. And he doesn't really care that it makes his opponent stronger. But pretty much what that does is now Iger and Kit are friends, and it's all friendship, lovey, blah, blah, blah. So let's put him together and see how he looks. Yeah. Air Knight. He looks really awesome. I love the design. I love how he's a stamina type and he can, because this rotates, if he's spinning and then losing stamina, he can rotate on that and gives him a little bit more agility. And here's the launcher. So it comes with a green launcher. You can only get it in the turbo packs, the slingshot generation. And then, so you put this in. It's right, left spin. He is right spin. I would definitely recommend this guy. And then what you do is you whip it, and he spins. And because he's a stamina type, he's gonna spin for quite a little while. Well, that kind of sums up our video. Thanks for watching. I definitely recommend this guy. You should buy him. And see you later.